Hi and welcome to Ambrosia's YouTube channel. My name is Bhavya Desai and today is all about gins. So with the mercury rising outside, many of you might have already shifted to beer as their preferred drink. But with the World Gin Day just gone by last week, I also wanted to recommend for you to try gins as well. And especially considering that gin is a summer drink. And for all you gin drinkers, you must already be familiar with brands like Bombay Sapphire, Roku, Hendrix, and so on. But in this video, we will talk about our best picks of homegrown gins in India and why you should try them. But before we take a look at some of our picks of best Indian gins, it is important to understand where gins come from. So it is popularly believed that gin is actually the gift of the British. And while British soldiers did make gin really popular in the 19th century, the origin of gin actually comes from Holland. And while gin is from Holland, the gin and tonic variation, the most famous one that we usually consume, actually started in India when British soldiers in the 19th century would add lime sugar and water to gin to make it very palatable. Gins are usually made from what we call botanicals, and the primary ingredient used to make alcohol are juniper berries. Combined with these juniper berries, you have a list of botanical ingredients, each unique to its recipe, that come together to make a gin. The gin scene in India has blown up phenomenally in the last 2 years, and that has prompted a lot of international manufacturers as well to vie for this market. But in this time, Indian manufacturers have also become extremely aggressive and released their own versions of gins made in India. So now let's take a look at some of our top picks of what are the best Indian gins that we recommend. The first gin on our list is Jaisalmer, which is priced at approximately rupees 3,500. So Jaisalmer comes from the house of Radico Khaitan Company, which is also one of the biggest manufacturers of alcohol beverage products in India. Now this gin was launched in the year 2018 and it was only for exports. But looking at the rising demand of gins in India, it was also made available in 2019 in India as well, but only in Delhi and Goa. Now, due to limited supply and also the growing demand of exports, Radico is looking to make it available slowly and surely in a lot of the other major cities in India by the end of 2020. As its price tag suggests, this is a premium product, and right from the packaging of the bottle with its matte black finish and muted gold lettering, everything about it screams quality. It uses a triple distilled neutral grain spirit that is redistilled into a traditional copper pot still. And in terms of flavor, the gin tries to encompass our very own country in a bottle with 7 out of 11 botanicals sourced from all corners of India. And with that first sip itself, you can understand how smooth and refined the gin is. And that's where that triple distilled grain comes into the picture. In terms of tones as well, you get a clear tinge, a citrus spike, a nice floral tone as well, and those caraway seeds definitely add a superb level of spice, making it a gin you must really try. So the next gin on our list comes from this company called Now Spirits, and it's called Greater Than. Now, as the name suggests, the gin looks to deliver a greater than experience and is India's first London dry gin. Now this is priced at approximately rupees 1450, and as you can understand from its pricing strategy, this is placed in a very competitive market. Unlike Jaisalmer before, it combines botanicals sourced from all over the globe. The gin is currently available in Goa, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bengaluru, Kolkata and Hyderabad. It is also exported to UK, Italy, Hungary and Singapore. Right from the get-go, you can understand that this is a modern take to the classic London dry style. The bottle looks elegant and clean in terms of design, and in terms of taste, it really gives you that superb tones, and it definitely has that zing of ginger right at the end just to finish. So you can get a lot of freshness, and that's how you understand why this gin really comes very highly recommended. Now the next gin on this list also comes from Now Spirits and is called Hapusa. Now, Hapusa means literally the Sanskrit word for juniper. Although this gin comes from the same manufacturer as Greater Than, it is priced at rupees 2600 and it is world's first Himalayan dry gin, which is made from Himalayan juniper and also uses botanicals that are sourced from all across India. So this in terms of recipe and style is different from Greater Than since the botanicals are sourced from within India. Some of these botanicals include turmeric, mango, ginger, cardamom, coriander seeds, Gondharaj limes and almonds. The gin is currently only available in Goa, Mumbai and Pune, and outside of India it is exported to UK, Italy, USA and Russia. So in terms of the flavor profile, it really provides you with that earthy feel. And a lot of the flavors of what we just mentioned in terms of the recipe. It is really a unique style and extremely good and smooth on the palate, something that definitely needs to be tried. So there were a number of other products that we wanted to feature in this list, but either their bottles did not reach us on time or they were plainly not available. Some of these gins include Terai, which is manufactured by India Craft Spirits Company, or Bombay Blanche, which is manufactured by Octaga Green. So if you're able to get your hands on these products or their availability, then do let us know about it. And in the comments, do let us know what your choice and preference of gins are so that we can note that down as well. So if you like this video, then make sure that you like, share and subscribe to our channel. Do take a look at our website as well, ambrosiaindia.com, and do follow us on Instagram and YouTube. And until next time, drink responsibly.